You're watching the Stephen VL Outdoors channel. So, we have a great point here. We got one up here. I don't know if you guys can see that on this drop shaft. So we get that one. And there's a grease fitting back here somewhere. Gotta find it again. I probably should just do it from the other side like a smart person. So we have grease up here. There's a grease point on this drive shaft right here. Alright, we got contact. Oh yeah, this one right here that I was trying to grease, I couldn't reach. I'll get that one right down. I almost got it, I just couldn't tell if I was on all the way. Figured it'd be easier. Doesn't want to stay, isn't that something? Okay, so there's that grease point, and get to it, move here.